Magic is the early trailer. And the partner will Arrivederci moves barreling any hunt. Ayan Nako in second, moving upon the outside bloodline by the Sangre Forex. Cuts on fire comes next. Beyonce, beautiful gem, then followed by Britney's Magic maximum exposure. Long way back to Black Magic. Last 200 meters, we have Arrivederci. Ayan Nako is on the outside, but still Arrivederci. Ayan Nako, and finally it's a close finish between Arrivederci and Ayan Nako. Then comes Sangre Forex, Bloodline, beautiful gem cut.
Horses out. As they settle, we have Material Ruler from the outside. Moving up now, down on the inside is Ender 2, that's Grand Fiesta. Insak now moving up to take second. House of Blues is racing in third, then followed by Material Ruler in fourth. Racing fifth comes Kang Kang. Alongside Live No Doubt, Manila Magic, Heart of My Soul. Then came out number 10, Jaji. And number 1, Formidable Jedi is running in last. It's still Grand Fiesta by about 3 lengths. Kingsak is still in second as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Grand Fiesta by about 4 lengths, followed by Kingsak in second. Last 50 meters, it's all number 2, Grand Fiesta. Second, Kingsak, Live No Doubt, Manila Magic, close, Material Ruler, Kang Kang. Then comes Heart of My Soul.
Trial race here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park as they settle where the Empire Cut very quickly at the start, moving up by the Aim for Gold, then followed by Dream Rose, while Conglomerate is the early trailer. Back to the leader where Empire Cut with A.M. Sanchoco by about 3/4 of a length lead, and in second, Aim for Gold with F.R. Santos. Down in third, we have Dream Rose with R.B. Brody, while Conglomerate still running at the tail of the field with W.P. Beltran. And Diana went in the home stretch with Empire Cut is still in control, maintaining a 2 lengths lead, moving upon the outside. Dream Rose last 100 meters with A.M. Sanchoco on Empire Cut by about 2. And finally, it's Empire Cut, second, Dream Rose, Aim for Gold, and Conglomerate.
And they're up. There's a spill. Jackie B.M. Camanero Jr. on top of horse Storm Hall. Seat of Power by about 2 lengths. And in second is Solo Zinger. Great Emma. Seat of Power racing wide. And for turn it's now Great Emma leading the field, followed by Solo Singer in second. Seat of Power still racing wide. Last 75 meters, it's all Great Emma.
At muli po nagbabalik ang Ensayo Franco, Bayang Karalista. At bago po tayo tuluyang magpaalam, meron po tayong liham na natanggap mula po kay Romeo de Asis ng Kalumpit, Bulacan. At ito po ang kanyang liham. Makisig Ira, isa po ako sa libu-libong taga-subaybay ng Racing Live sa Makisig TV. Gusto ko po sanang masulyapan ang idolo ng kabayang si Indelible Ink. Sana po ay mapagbigyan niyo ang aking kahilingan. Romeo de Asis. Alam mo Romeo, kaya nga kami napadpad dito sa San Lazaro Leisure Park sa kwadra ni Mr. Hermes Guerra dahil sa iyong hiling na makita face to face, ika nga sabi ko kanina, itong si Indelible Ink. At ayan, sana naman naging masaya ka at napagbigyan namin ang iyong kahilingan. Sa mga gusto pa pong nagnanais na makakakita ng mga kabayong na paborito nila, ay sumulat po kayo sa number 89 at Timog Avenue sa May Quezon City. At hanapin nyo lang po si Mark at pagbibigyan po namin ang inyong mga kahilingan. At dyan po natatapos ang pang-primerang edisyon ng Ensayo Franco. Samahan niyo po muli ako sa susunod na Webes. Ako po si Ira Herrera at kayo po'y nakatutok sa Makisig TV. Dahil sa Makisig, panalo ka!
Ang kamay ay kulang sa bata, kailangan niya'y gamitan ng muta. Ensayo Franco para mabata. Ensayo Franco para mabata. Sa oras ng karera, kabayo'y di kailangan ituna. Ang kabayo'y kulang sa bata,